Hello there. Welcome to Nko Media. I am Nkiru. I hope you'll enjoy today's recipe. This recipe is something I have lots of requests to make. It is Nigerian Ofe Utazi, Utazi soup. This soup is loved by many, especially the Igbos of Nigeria. So join me in the kitchen. Let's cook. I will first introduce the ingredients for this recipe. We have stockfish. This is optional. Dry fish, goat meat, palm oil, ground crayfish, Knorr powder, Ogiri Igbo, Okpei, Scotch bonnet peppers, fresh Utazi leaves, thickener, and onion. In a big pot, add pre-soaked stockfish. I use stockfish in most of my traditional soups because of its flavor, taste, and it gives the soup balance. Add the water in which you soaked the stockfish. Add the goat meat, pre-washed, 1 chopped onion, Knorr powder, grind Ogiri Igbo, Okpei and Scotch bonnet peppers, and add to the pot. Rinse the blender with water and add it to the pot too. Mix together, cover the pot and cook until the meat is almost fully cooked, which may take about 20 minutes or longer. Here, I want you to observe that I had to add extra pre-cooked meat because I didn't have enough to start with. After about 5 minutes, add the palm oil, fresh pre-cut, pre-washed Utazi leaves. Fresh Utazi leaves have bitter and slightly sweet taste. So you wash until you get the extent of bitterness you want. You may also use dry Utazi leaves. Add the pre-washed deboned dry fish. Add the thickener. I am using homemade oat flour mixed with water. I prefer that because it's healthier. Mix to combine very well. Cover it and cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Add some water if soup is too thick for you. Add the crayfish. Mix it to incorporate everything and simmer for about 3 minutes and the delicious Ofe Utazi is ready. You can pair this delicious soup with any fufu of choice. I served mine with yam fufu. If you don't know how to make yam fufu, watch my shorts about the easiest method to do it. If you like this video, kindly share with friends and family, please. And if you try this recipe, let me know how yours turned out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.